Hello guys, and welcome back to Arms Mastery. Ready to hear about a pistol that's truly changing the game? The Sig Sauer P320 is making waves in the firearms world for a reason. Founded in 1853, Sig Sauer has built a legacy of excellence, and the P320 is their crown jewel. This modular handgun has captured the spotlight, becoming one of the most searched and widely discussed firearms today. What sets it apart? Its unique ability to adapt to a shooter's needs with ease. Since its release in 2014, the P320 has gained massive popularity with military and civilian users alike, thanks to its groundbreaking design, rock-solid reliability, and unmatched versatility. In the world of handguns, few can compare with the innovation and performance of this gun. In 2015, the US Army launched its search for a new handgun to replace the aging Beretta M9 under the Modular Handgun System (MHS) program. This goal was to find a sidearm that offered better performance, reliability, and ergonomics for soldiers in the field. Among the contenders were top manufacturers like Glock and Smith & Wesson, but after intense testing and evaluation, the Army selected the Sig Sauer P320 as its new firearm in 2017. The P320 stood out for its modular design, which allowed easy customization to meet different mission requirements. It also excelled in ergonomics, accuracy, and reliability, making it an ideal fit for military needs. Sig Sauer's engineers spent years in research and development, aiming to create a handgun that would serve both military and civilian users by offering a perfect balance of reliability, accuracy, and adaptability. Throughout its development, the team faced challenges to meet the Army's strict standards, including durability, reliability, and modularity. Yet, by 2014, the P320 was ready for release. Its innovative design and top-tier performance quickly made it a favorite among shooters, cementing its reputation as a groundbreaking handgun. People love this gun for its unmatched versatility and superior performance, making it a top choice for both casual shooters and professionals alike. It has frequently taken the place of older models such as the Glock 17 and Smith & Wesson M&P, becoming the new standard for many law enforcement agencies. One of the standout features of the P320 is its innovative modular design, allowing for unparalleled customization and flexibility. Built around a serialized chassis that houses the trigger group and core components, this design makes it easy for users to switch out grips, barrels, and calibers to suit different missions or personal preferences. Whether for a specific task or personal conflict, the P320 can be disassembled and reassembled with ease, offering versatility that few other firearms can match. This modularity not only enhances adaptability but also simplifies maintenance and repairs. Damaged or worn components can be swapped out quickly, ensuring the firearm is always in peak condition. Combined with its ergonomic grip, the P320 delivers excellent control and recoil management. The grip is designed to fit comfortably in the hand, providing a natural, secure hold that enhances accuracy. A low-bore axis further reduces muzzle flip, improving follow-up shots while its crisp trigger pull ensures precision. The P320's superior ergonomics and shootability make it stand out from other handguns on the market, often favored for its comfort and ease of use. Reliability is key, and the P320 delivers. It's undergone rigorous environmental and endurance testing, from extreme temperatures to drop tests, proving its durability in even the harshest conditions. Trusted by military and law enforcement agencies, this handgun has earned its reputation for outstanding performance and reliability in the field. Its future is bright, as Sig Sauer P320 continues to innovate and expand the lineup to meet the changing demands of shooters. The Sig P320 family offers a wide range of models, each tailored for different needs. If you're looking for a solid option for duty or home defense, the P320 full-size is a reliable choice with its larger frame and impressive firepower. For those who prioritize concealment, the P320 Subcompact and P320X Compact offer sleek, compact designs perfect for everyday carry without sacrificing performance. For competition shooters, the P320X5 is a standout, with features like a longer slide, enhanced ergonomics, and superior accuracy. Then there's the P320X Carry, offering a middle ground between compactness and performance, ideal for those wanting a more versatile carry option. The military-approved M17 and M18 models, trusted by the US Armed Forces, bring battle-tested durability and reliability, making them popular choices for military and civilian users alike. If you're a fan of optics, the P320 RXP full-size and RXP compact models come pre-installed with red dot sights for fast and accurate target acquisition. For those who love a classic feel, the P320 AXG Scorpion adds a stylish yet durable aluminum frame, blending tradition with modern design. With options like the P320 VTAC, which features Viking Tactics sights for tactical applications, the P320 family continues to offer a model for every shooter's preference and need. Before we continue with all the exciting details, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button and subscribe. Those 2 clicks go a long way in helping the channel, and it ensures you won't miss any of our future content. This gun, once praised for its innovation and modular design, found itself in the center of controversy when reports of unintentional discharges began surfacing. It wasn't just a few isolated incidents. Over 100 people claimed their P320 fired without them pulling the trigger, resulting in injuries for many. What started as a revolutionary handgun was suddenly under intense scrutiny, and the lawsuits began to pile up. The first known case to attract public attention occurred in 2016. Officer Michael Richardson of Michigan's Roscommon Sheriff's Department was on duty when his holstered P320 unexpectedly discharged as he exited his vehicle. His body cam captured the moment, though no clear explanation could be found in the footage. While some speculated that a seatbelt buckle may have hit the trigger, the fact remained his gun fired without any action on his part. By 2017, whispers of safety concerns were circulating within law enforcement. The Dallas Police Department, after hearing rumors and seeing a leaked memo, temporarily pulled the P320 from service. This caused waves in the gun community, especially when a Texas gun store decided to investigate further. They ran a series of drop tests on the P320, and the results were unsettling. When dropped at a particular angle, the gun would fire, even though Sig Sauer insisted the P320 was drop safe. Their findings suggested that when the pistol's bore was facing upward and the frame and slide struck the ground at the same time, the trigger would move rearward and cause the gun to fire. Interestingly, the P320 X5 model, featuring a lighter, flat trigger, didn't have this issue. When the gun store replaced the standard trigger on the problematic P320 with this lighter one, the unintended firings decreased dramatically. In further tests, they even reduced the weight of a standard trigger, and the result? Over 50 drops and not a single misfire. The weight of the trigger, it seemed, played a key role in this dangerous flaw. In response, Sig Sauer acted quickly. The very next day after the store posted their video, Sig launched a voluntary upgrade program, offering to install redesigned components for free. While they didn't issue an official recall, they addressed the Drop 5 problem, giving P320 owners the chance to make their pistols safer without any cost. For those with an older P320, this upgrade program is a crucial step. It marks an important chapter in the evolution of this popular handgun, ensuring that the P320 can continue to be a reliable sidearm without the cloud of safety concerns hanging over it. The ongoing legal battles surrounding this gun have created a complicated and highly debated situation. While Sig Sauer asserts that the P320 is engineered to fire only when the trigger is pulled, numerous lawsuits challenge this claim. It's important to approach the issue with caution and allow all facts to emerge before drawing any conclusions. The firearms industry itself is complex, filled with passionate discussions from various perspectives, ranging from Second Amendment supporters to anti-gun activists and competitors in the market. It's crucial to gather information from all angles to form a well-rounded understanding rather than rushing to judgment. Sig Sauer confidently claims that the P320 is one of the most trusted and proven handguns in history, meeting and exceeding all safety standards set by the National Institute of Justice, NIJ, and the Sporting Arms and Ammunition Manufacturers Institute, SAAMI, as well as various federal and state regulations. However, these standards are voluntary and do not require specific safety mechanisms or endurance testing. Despite this, the P320 has passed rigorous torture tests. In response to concerns about unintentional discharges, Sig Sauer denies any design flaws, attributing the accidents to user mishandling rather than defects. For those who own a Sig P320, there are steps you can take to stay safe. First, consider utilizing Sig Sauer's voluntary upgrade program. Through this, they offer upgrades to the trigger, sear, and striker, along with adding a mechanical disconnector, all at no cost to you. Additionally, if you typically carry your P320 with a round in the chamber, you might want to reconsider, as many users like Boston police officer Ashley Catatow now choose not to keep a round chambered in their duty P320s. It's important to remember that safety is always a top priority regardless of the firearm. Follow the 4 basic safety rules. Treat every gun as loaded, never point it at anything you don't want to destroy, keep your finger off the trigger until ready to fire, and always be sure of your target and what's beyond it. Proper maintenance is equally crucial. Regular cleaning, lubrication, and replacing any worn parts will keep your firearm functioning safely and efficiently. Taking these steps ensures not only the longevity of your P320, but also your safety while using it. Thanks for sticking with us through this in-depth look at the Sig Sauer P320. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me what I got right, what I missed, or what you do differently with this gun. I'm always open to hearing different opinions. And if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you won't miss future videos. Looking forward to reading your comments.